Hello.
Hello, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Thank you. Can I have a look at the menu, please?
Of course, here you go. Take your time.
Thank you. Hmm, everything looks so good.
It does. Our most popular items today are the latte and the blueberry muffin.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Can I have a medium latte, please?
Of course, would you like that hot or cold?
Hot, please. It is a little chilly today.
It really is. Anything to eat with that?
Yes, please. Can I have a blueberry muffin as well?
Great choice. Would you like it warmed up?
Oh, yes, please. That would be wonderful.
Perfect. Can I get a name for the order?
Lily, please.
Great, Lily. So that is one medium hot latte and one warmed blueberry muffin. Is that correct?
Yes, that is perfect.
Lovely. That comes to $4.80, please.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Perfect. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes. We will call your name when it is ready.
Thank you so much.
Lily, your order is ready.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much. This smells amazing.
Enjoy. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to see a doctor, please.
Of course. Do you have an appointment?
No, I am afraid I do not. Is it possible to see someone today?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have an opening at 11:30. Would that work for you?
Yes, that is perfect. Thank you so much.
Great. Can I take your name, please?
Yes, it is Lily Rose.
Thank you, Lily. And can I ask what brings you in today?
I have had a really bad headache for 2 days now, and I have a sore throat as well.
I am sorry to hear that. Please take a seat, and the doctor will be with you shortly.
Thank you.
Good morning, Lily. Please come in and sit down. I am Dr. Harris.
Good morning, Dr. Harris. Thank you for seeing me.
Of course. So tell me, what seems to be the problem today?
I have had a terrible headache for the past 2 days, and my throat is very sore. I also feel quite tired.
I see. Have you had a fever at all?
I am not sure. I felt very hot last night, but I did not check my temperature.
Let me take a look. Yes, your throat is a little red. I think you have a mild infection.
Oh no, is it serious?
No, not at all. Very common this time of year. I am going to prescribe you some antibiotics and some pain relief for the headache.
How many times a day do I take them?
Take the antibiotics twice a day, morning and evening, with food, and take the pain relief when you need it. No more than 3 times a day.
Okay. Morning and evening with food. Got it. How long will it take to feel better?
You should start feeling much better within 3 to 4 days, but make sure you finish the full course of antibiotics even if you feel better sooner.
I will. Thank you so much, Dr. Harris.
You are very welcome, Lily. Get plenty of rest and drink lots of water. Take care of yourself.
I will. Thank you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Lily. Feel better soon. Hello. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have just come from the doctor. I have a prescription here.
Of course. Let me take a look. Okay, so we have some antibiotics and some pain relief for you today.
Yes, that is right. The doctor said I have a mild infection.
I am sorry to hear that. Do not worry. These medicines will help you feel much better very soon.
That is good to hear. How long will it take to get the medicines ready?
Just about 5 minutes. You are welcome to wait here or have a look around the shop.
Thank you. I will wait here.
Okay, Lily, everything is ready for you. Let me explain how to take each one.
Yes, please. The doctor explained, but I want to make sure I understood correctly.
Of course. So the antibiotics, take 1 tablet twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Always take them with food, never on an empty stomach.
Once in the morning and once in the evening with food. Got it.
And make sure you finish the full course. Even if you start feeling better after 2 days, keep taking them until they are all finished.
I will. What happens if I stop early?
The infection can come back, so it is very important to finish every single tablet.
I understand. And the pain relief?
Take 1 or 2 tablets when you have a headache or feel pain, but no more than 6 tablets in 24 hours.
Okay. No more than 6 in 24 hours. That is clear.
And take them with a full glass of water. That helps them work faster.
Perfect. Thank you so much for explaining everything so clearly.
My pleasure. Do you have any other questions?
Actually, yes. Do you have any throat lozenges? My throat is very sore.
Yes, of course. They are right here on this shelf. These ones are very popular and work really well for sore throats.
Oh, perfect. I will take these as well. How much is everything?
The prescription medicines are covered by your insurance. The throat lozenges are $2.50.
Great. Here you go.
Thank you. I hope you feel better very soon, Lily. Take care of yourself.
Thank you so much. You have been so helpful. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Get well soon. Hello, welcome. Can I help you find anything today?
Hello, yes, please. I am looking for a casual top. Something comfortable for everyday wear.
Of course, we have a great selection over here. What size are you?
I am a size small usually, but it depends on the brand sometimes.
I completely understand. Let me show you what we have in small. Follow me, please.
Thank you.
So here we have our newest collection. These are all very popular right now. We have them in several colors: white, blue, pink, and green.
Oh, they are lovely. I really like this blue one. It is a beautiful color.
That one is very popular. It is also available in soft cotton, so it is very comfortable to wear all day.
Oh, that sounds perfect. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are just over there on the left.
Thank you. It fits really well. I love it.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. Can I ask, is this on sale at all?
Actually, yes. Everything in this section is 20% off this week.
Oh, wonderful. That is great news. How much is it after the discount?
It is normally $25. With 20% off, it comes to $20.
Perfect. I will take it. Actually, I am also looking for a pair of jeans. Do you have any?
Yes, our jeans section is just around the corner. What style do you prefer? Slim fit or relaxed fit?
I prefer slim fit, please.
Great. Follow me. Here we go. These are our best-selling slim fit jeans. Very comfortable and very durable.
Oh, these are nice. Do you have them in size small?
Let me check. Yes, here you go. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. These are perfect. I love them. I will take these as well.
Wonderful. So that is the blue top and the slim fit jeans. Shall I take those to the counter for you?
Yes, please. Thank you so much for your help today.
It was my pleasure. Please follow me to the checkout. So your total today is $44. Both items have the 20% discount applied.
Perfect. Can I pay by card, please?
Of course. Please tap your card here.
Done. Can I have a receipt, please?
Here you are, and here is your bag. Thank you so much for shopping with us today, Lily.
Thank you. You were so helpful. I will definitely come back. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day. Good morning. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to open a bank account, please.
Of course. Please take a seat, and one of our advisors will be with you shortly.
Thank you.
Good morning, Lily. I am James. Please come and sit down.
Good morning, James. Thank you for seeing me.
My pleasure. So you would like to open an account with us today?
Yes, please. I am new to this city, and I need a local bank account.
Absolutely. We have two types of accounts for personal use, a current account and a savings account. Do you know which one you need?
I am not sure. What is the difference?
A current account is for everyday use. You can use it to pay bills, receive your salary, and make purchases. A savings account is for saving money over time. It earns interest on whatever you save.
I see. I think I need a current account for now. I need something for everyday use.
Perfect choice. Our current account has no monthly fee and comes with a free debit card.
Oh, that sounds great. No monthly fee at all?
That is correct. As long as you use the account at least once a month, there is no charge.
Wonderful. What do I need to open the account?
We just need two things. A valid photo ID, like a passport or driving license, and proof of your address. A utility bill or a bank statement from the last 3 months.
I have my passport here, and I have a utility bill as well. Will those work?
Perfect. That is exactly what we need. Looks at documents. Everything looks good, Lily. I just need you to fill out this short form, and we can get your account open today.
Oh, that is quick. I thought it would take longer.
Not at all. It usually takes about 10 minutes. Hands formed to Lily.
Okay, all done.
Perfect. Let me process this for you. Okay, Lily, your account is now open.
Oh, wonderful. That was so easy.
Here is your account number and sort code. Your debit card will arrive in the post within 3 to 5 working days.
3 to 5 working days. Got it. Can I use the account before the card arrives?
Yes, you can set up online banking right away and make transfers immediately.
Oh, that is very helpful. How do I set up online banking?
Download our app and register using your account number. It takes about 2 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much, James. You have made this so easy.
It is my pleasure, Lily. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I think that is everything. Thank you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Lily. Welcome to the bank. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I would like to book a room, please.
Of course, I would be happy to help you with that. Can I ask for which dates?
Yes. I would like to check in on the 15th of August and check out on the 18th of August. So 3 nights.
The 15th to the 18th of August. Let me check availability for you. Checks computer. Yes, we have rooms available on those dates. What type of room are you looking for?
I need a single room, please. Just for one person.
Perfect. We have 2 options for a single room. We have a standard single room at $80 per night and a deluxe single room at $110 per night.
What is the difference between the two?
The standard room has a comfortable single bed, a private bathroom, and a television. The deluxe room is larger and has a city view, a king-size bed, a minibar, and a complimentary breakfast every morning.
Oh, the deluxe room sounds lovely. But can I ask, is breakfast really included in the deluxe room?
Yes, absolutely. A full English breakfast every morning is included in the deluxe room price.
That is wonderful. I think I will go with the deluxe room, please.
Excellent choice. So that is 3 nights in a deluxe single room at $110 per night. Your total will be $330.
That sounds good. Can I pay when I check in?
We do require a credit card to secure the booking today, but you can pay the full amount when you check in if you prefer.
That is fine. I have my card here.
Perfect. Can I take your name, please?
Yes. It is Lily Rose.
Thank you, Lily. And your phone number, please?
It is 077-0090-0456.
Thank you. And your email address so we can send you a confirmation?
It is lily.rose@email.com.
Perfect. And your card number, please?
It is 4721-8365-9421 0783.
Thank you, Lily. Let me confirm your booking. One deluxe single room. Check-in 15th of August. Check-out 18th of August. 3 nights. Total $330. Is that all correct?
Yes, that is all correct.
Wonderful. Your booking is now confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email within the next few minutes.
Perfect. Can I ask, what time is check-in?
Check-in is from 3 p.m. onwards. If you arrive earlier, we can store your luggage for you.
That is very helpful. And what time is check-out?
Check-out is by 11 a.m. on the 18th.
Got it. Is there parking available at the hotel?
Yes, we have a private car park. It is $15 per night. Would you like me to add that to your booking?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Perfect. I have added parking to your booking. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I think that is everything. Thank you so much. You have been very helpful.
It is my pleasure, Lily. We look forward to welcoming you on the 15th of August. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Lily. See you in August.